So 12 plus 13 is 25 divided by 2, which is going to be 12.5 equals the median. All right, so all you got to do is order those least to greatest for the median. Now, down here, the table shows the number of movies owned by a group of surveyed people. What is the median of the movies owned? So like I said on the last question, you got to order these from least to greatest. So the very least would be 13. Okay, and then we have 15 3 times. That's why I like to cross them out. Okay, the next one would be 18. And then we have 20, 21, 25, 2 28 or 3 28s, I mean. Cross those out. Oh, look at that, I missed a 24. So that 24 goes right there. My bad. Okay, and then you got 33, 33, and I forgot, no, I got that 28. Nope, there are 4 28s. And 34, 35, and I forgot a 32. Sorry guys, I'm falling apart. Okay, so to find a median, just start crossing them out. So once again, we got 2 in the middle, so we got to add them up and divide by 2. So 25 plus 28 is 53, and divided by 2, we get 26.5 equals your median. Okay, now the line plot, we are going to find the mean, median, and mode for all this. So to find the mean, you are adding the ones up that have an x above them. So each x represents that number. So 26, 26, plus 26, plus 28, plus 28, plus 28, plus 28, plus 28, plus 30, plus 30, plus 32, plus 38. So there's all the numbers you got to add up. And the good thing is about writing that out, now they're in order from least to greatest for you. So you'll be able to find the median a lot faster. So we got to add these all up. Should get 348. And then you got to divide by how many we added up. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we're dividing by 12. And you should get 29 equals your mean. Now the median, we can just go back up here to this data and start crossing them out. This is why I tell you guys to write everything out. Once again, we got 2 in the middle. So we add 28 plus 28 divided by 2. Well, you get 28 equals your median. The mode would be 28 because it occurs the most times. It is repeated the most times. So the mode is 28 as well. Alright, so that's using a line plot, just finding mean, median, and mode. So on the next page, it says the results of a survey about the number of contacts stored in cell phones is shown in the table. What is the median? So once again, we got order these from least to greatest. So looking at this, I would say 34 is the least, and then 36, and then I'd say 45, 49, 50, 55 2 times, and then you're gonna have 67, 77, 80, 83, 88, 89, 90, 93. I'm running out of room. 99, 103. 103, 105. So now that we've ordered them from least to greatest, we cross them out. One end to the other till we get to the very last one in the middle. So we got 2 again. So we got to add those up, divide by 2. So 77 plus 80 divided by 2. So 77 plus 80, we get 157 divided by 2, and you get 78.5 is your median. Okay, number 8. Jamie mowed 6 lawns. He earned $15, $20, $17, $20, $13, and $20 for 6 lawns. What is the mean amount he made for mowing? So to find the mean, we got to add them all up and then divide by however many there are, 6. So we do 15 plus 20 plus 17 plus 20 plus 13 plus 20. So that's 105 divided by 6. And he made, the mean would be $17.50 per yard. Okay, for questions 9 and 10, we're going to use the line plot here. So talking about jumping jacks. So the question is, what is the highest amount of jumping jacks made? Remember, the X's represent the people that did the jumping jacks, not the highest amount. The highest amount that was done by somebody would be 35 jumping jacks. And then they said how many students did jumping jacks. This is where you're going to add up all the X's. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 students. And that's how you interpret a line plot. Just looking at the X's represent people doing them. Down here at the bottom is the number of jumping jacks completed. All right, says the table shows the number of pets owned by students in class. Make a line plot. So when you don't have, find the minimum and maximum number. So the minimum is 5. The maximum is 11. So you only have to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, for each number, you're going to put an X above that number on the number line. So we have 5, 5, 5. So there's 3 5s. And so I got a 6, another 6, another 6, another 1, another 1, another 1, and another 1. That's why I like to cross them out as I go. 7s, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross them out now. Okay, we don't have any 8s. We do have 1 9. We have 1 10 and 1 11. So there's your line plot. You should have 3 X's on 5, 2, 4, 6, 7 on 6, 5 on 7, 1, 1, and 1. So that is a line plot. And number 12, we are doing a histogram. So here are all the numbers. So once again, find the maximum and the minimum. So right now the minimum would be 160. And the maximum is going to be 339. So we got to get from 160 to 339 in intervals. So I would do, you could do 160 to, let's do 160 to 85. 84. Because that's 25 numbers exactly. So 184. So then we have 185 to 204, I think. Yep, 204. Okay, and then we're going to go to 205 to, what was this going to be? I don't like those intervals, so I decided to change them. So we're going to do 160 to 199, 200, okay, because if you look, that is, so 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 is 11 numbers. So 160 to 170 is 11. Okay, we got to add another 11. So then we're going to add till we get to 199. So that is 40 numbers. So we're going to go to 239. So then we have 240 to 279, 280 to 309, 310 to 339. And there are your intervals right there. Those are totally perfect. You could do other ones. It's totally up to you guys. So then now you got to make your frequency. So in the 160s range, we have 1, 2, and that's it. And then we look at the 170s because those are included. No more of those. 180s are included. Only one of those. 190s. And that's all we have. Now we're up to 200 to 239. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 240 to 279. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 280 to 309, we have 1, and that's it. The rest would be in the last one. Oh, and I was wrong because we need to go another one because I forgot that 351 is the maximum. Sorry. So it's going to be 340 to 379. So from this, we get 2, and then the 1 is the last one. So then our histogram, okay, remember on the left side, it's your frequencies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down here are your intervals. So I'm going to have 160 to 199, 200 to 239, 240 to 279, 280 to 309, 310 to 339, and 340 to 379. So the first one had 5, so I go up to 5. Now remember, this is just a bar graph that's all connected. So then this one's 6. And this one's 5 again. We have 1, so very short one. 2, so we're going up a little higher than that last one, and then 1 again. And that is a histogram. Okay, so that is the study guide, complete answers.